What makes us different? What makes us the industry leader? Salsbury Industries was founded by Foster Salsbury in 1936. The company started out designing one of the first motor scooters, and soon thereafter, our reputation for excellence in design and manufacturing was established. Today, Salsbury Industries is the industry-leading manufacturer of quality mailboxes and lockers. Home to both mailboxes.com and lockers.com. Our identity is strong and our mission critical. With our Los Angeles roots and an emphasis on quality products that are reliable, we aim to provide mailbox solutions to projects of all sizes. From mailboxes for residential use to a large-scale community project, we offer products to fit every need. Our flagship commercial products are the cluster box unit and the 4C horizontal mailbox. These USPS-approved products are built and tested using the most rigorous practices and standards. We are proud to manufacture our mailboxes here in the United States. We maintain a large inventory of raw materials and finished goods to ensure all orders are shipped in a timely manner. And if our customers have a question, our customer service team is ready to answer any inquiry, whether about a product, an installation requirement, or a USPS regulation. We also empower our customers with the tools and support they need to design quicker, purchase smarter, and build better. We never rest on our laurels. We continue to grow and set new goals. We invest in the latest technologies to offer our customers the most advanced services available. And this is why, after almost 100 years, Salsbury Industries will continue to be the industry leader for years to come.